If you're trying to decide between Plus500 and Vanguard, you're not alone. Both platforms give you access to financial markets, but they serve very different purposes and attract very different types of investors. Let's break down what each one offers, their strengths, and where they might fall short, so you can figure out which is the right fit for you. First up, let's talk about Plus500. Plus500 is a CFD broker designed for people who want to actively trade markets. The platform is intuitive and easy to use, offering CFDs on forex, indices, commodities, ETFs, shares, and cryptocurrencies. One of its standout features is risk management, with tools like guaranteed stop-loss orders that can help protect traders during volatile conditions. For short-term traders who want a simple way to speculate on price movements across a wide variety of global markets, Plus500 does the job well. But there are trade-offs. With Plus500, you don't actually own the assets you're trading. Everything is based on CFDs. That means no dividends, no shareholder rights, and no long-term wealth building. Plus500 also doesn't provide advanced research, in-depth analytics, or financial planning tools. It's designed for speculation, not for investing. Now let's turn to Vanguard. Vanguard is one of the world's largest and most respected investment firms, best known for its low-cost index funds and ETFs. Unlike Plus500, Vanguard is all about long-term investing. Through Vanguard, you can buy and hold real stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs, with a focus on building wealth steadily over time. The platform is trusted by millions of investors worldwide, especially those who prioritize diversification and cost efficiency. Where Vanguard really shines is in its investment philosophy. The company emphasizes low fees, long-term growth, and passive strategies like index investing. It also provides retirement accounts, financial planning resources, and tools that help investors align their portfolios with long-term goals. The trade-off, however, is that Vanguard isn't built for active traders. It lacks real-time trading tools, advanced charting, or access to speculative instruments like CFDs or cryptocurrencies. So which one should you choose? If your goal is short-term trading and speculation across a variety of markets, and you want a platform that's simple and accessible, Plus500 is the better fit. But if your focus is building long-term wealth through real ownership of stocks, funds, and retirement accounts, with low fees and a passive approach, Vanguard is the platform that makes more sense. In short, Plus500 is for short-term CFD traders looking for simplicity and speed, while Vanguard is for long-term investors who want to grow wealth steadily through real assets. Both have their place, but your choice really depends on whether you want to trade or invest. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.